everybody. In this video, we're doing the New Year resolutions tag. We weren't tagged by anybody, but a girl called Boz invited everyone to do the tag, and we really liked it, so we wanted to participate as well. We're going to tag a couple of our sewing friends down in the comments below on our Instagram, so make sure that you follow us there on Instagram. I'm MsMakes.
And I'm MsRebeccaMakes.
Alright, first question. What was your favorite make of 2017? Rebecca?
I think I'm going to go ahead and say the stitch sampler that's in my office. When I started my new job, my office was really boring and drab, and so I did a quick little cross stitch and made up a bunch of stitches. I know it's not sewing technically, but I really love it, and it makes me happy Monday to Friday. So
I made a lot of things this year that I'm in love with, and I think that it can be tempting to just say one of your most recent makes as your favorites. I definitely really love the historical costume that I made this year, but I think that my favorite is still my knit jean shorts that I made. They just fit me great. They're so comfortable, and I seriously wore them all summer long. Alright, the second question is, what did you attempt in 2017 that you won't be doing again, and why?
I have a great answer for this. In 2017, I was in grad school and I graduated. And for my thesis, I sewed 15 pairs of jeans in a week. And I will never ever do that again. It was a lot of work. It did pay off. My experiment was great and all the jeans turned out fine. But I would not advocate anyone to try that in the future.
For me, something that I won't be attempting again is just to slap embroidery on whatever I find. I have a clutch that I've been trying to embroider for about 6 months now. The fabric does not want to let a needle go through it, and so it has been very slow going. I just got really overexcited about embroidery at the time and was like, yeah, I can totally do it, so I won't be doing that again. Alright, the next question is, what are you going to continue doing next year?
You go first.
For me, I'm definitely going to continue doing historical makes. I was so enthused by the English gown that I finished this year that I have at least 2 dresses planned for next year and maybe more. It's a little ambitious because I've only been going at a rate of 1 historical dress per year to this point, but I'm going to really try to do it, so I'm going to continue with my historical makes.
I'm going to go generic and just say continue sewing. I have taken a break really from sewing for myself throughout college and grad school, and so I've just gotten back into it, and I just want to keep up with that habit.
Okay, the next question is, what are you going to try next year? I know for me, I'm going to be trying to sew with a more ethical focus. I'm going to be doing my 2018 Make 9 all in ethically sourced materials, and I'm just going to try overall to make better decisions about where I'm sourcing my materials that I'm using.
In 2018, I'm going to try and get way more active in the social media. I'm running the MsMakes.com blog, and I really want to ramp up content for that and bring awesome stuff to you all.
Alright, the last question. Where do you see your handmade wardrobe by the end of next year, and what about in 5 years? For me, by the end of next year, I see a lot more me-made pants in my wardrobe. Pants are pretty much, besides shorts, are the only thing that I really haven't been sewing at all, so I am excited to add a lot of me-made pants to my wardrobe this year. In the end of 5 years, I'm hoping to have a mostly ethical wardrobe as well. It's a journey that I'm starting on, and it's going to take some slow getting into, but by the end of 5 years, I feel like I will hopefully have the resources and have found places to source ethical materials in a wide range of types.
I think my 2018 Make 9 will really help me to have a lot more of me-made clothes in my wardrobe by the end of this year. I did kind of do a capsule collection in that, so I'm really excited for that. And I think in 5 years I can absolutely have a majority me-made wardrobe. I've never had a really large wardrobe, and I don't like having a lot of clothes anyway, so I'm really excited to see how much of my wardrobe I can actually make myself.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We had a lot of fun doing this tag. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram. I'm MsRebeccaMakes.
And I'm MsMakes.
And our website is MsMakes.com.
Check out the comment box below and check out our Instagram posts about this video to see who we've tagged to do the tag next.